Hi guys, it's Tad from Kinetic Evolution. I'm here with David. Today we want to talk to you guys a little bit about learning the bench press, in particular learning it in order to help from a shoulder rehab standpoint. So we'll break it down and show you in several steps, and then you can put it together and apply. So guys, step one in learning the bench press is to feel proper lat trap activation. So I'll show you a quick little demo here with David. I'll have him turn around. So we just want to be able to feel squeezing the lat traps in this area. So I'm going to palpate, grab it, and have David squeeze and kind of chop my fingers off his back, taking his shoulder and just chopping my fingers right off. So again, chop that off, squeeze. And he's really doing a good job with his shoulder girdle, feeling these lats and traps and driving that back down. When you've got that feel, then you can turn around, take a dowel or a baseball bat or a golf club, and just holding that, what we want to do now is feel pulling this down to the chest using those lats traps. So I'm going to give him some resistance here, and he now has to, rather than just like lowering it, he's got to pull it down. So go ahead, David, and pull it down to the pull, good, and drive it off. Good, well done, and again, feel, pull it down, pull, drive it off. Good, and one more time, and really feeling those lats traps, pulling that bar in. Pull it down, pull, and then drive it off. Good. And now you're starting to get a really good feel of proper shoulder girdle position using the lats traps, and we can take that feel now and we'll apply it to the bench press. So step two is to apply that feel now in the actual bench press position. So David's lying down on the bench, his hands are just outside his shoulders. We're going to get him to lift this off, hold it above his chest. Good. Now in this position, I'm going to provide that resistance again, so he has to feel pulling the bar down to his chest. So I'll provide that resistance. David will pull it down using those lats traps, and then drive it up. Good. Pulling that down, pull, drive it up. Good. And again, pull it down, pull, drive it up and off. Good. So now, from the standing position, he's now applying that feel of using the lats traps, proper shoulder girdle position, in the actual bench press position. Good, guys. So step three is involving the legs in the bench press exercise. And by involving the legs, it helps us stabilize the spine, and that's a better platform then to stabilize the shoulders, because they all work together. So a really simple drill to try. All I'm going to do is push the legs in and then lift them up, and then David has to resist against me. So what it would look like if he just lets me is I push legs in and then up and then back down. And we don't want that. He's going to push out against me and then down to really get those legs involved. So I'm pushing in and he's resisting, and then I'm going up and he's resisting. And then his legs and hips really kick in hard there. And that's a wonderful platform to stabilize the spine. Now it's easier for him to work with his shoulder and shoulder girdle. Good, so now putting it all together, guys, what David is going to do is involve his legs and hips, take the bar up, and then apply that feel of pulling it down to the rib cage. So let's do a few reps here for you. Good, it's up, legs are kicking in, applying that feel, pulling it down with the lats, punching it off, good, yeah, pull down, punching it off, good, legs kicking in, pull it down, punch it, good, well done. Good, guys, so there's a series of steps that you can apply that's going to help learn better bench press technique. You'll learn how to incorporate the legs, feel the lats traps, and then learn and feel that better shoulder girdle posture, and that's really important to rehab your shoulder through using the bench press. So give it a try. Let us know if you have any questions or comments.